Hello and welcome to the online viewing for flat 6 Nestor house. It's 2-bedroom, second floor apartment. You can see the communal entrance there just ahead of us, and there are communal gardens surrounding the apartments here, and we're at the end of the cul-de-sac. Lots of green space to the side and to the rear of the building. So just to give you an idea, here at the side, looking towards the rear of the building here, you can see the rear balconies as well, one of which is located from the kitchen. And then into the building, and we've got the stairs which lead up to flat 6, just here in the corner. And then moving inside the apartment, and we've got the hallway here, giving access to all of the rooms. Also having 2 built-in storage cupboards, one of them here housing the gas boiler and providing some further storage space as well. And then another one for further storage and plumbing for the washing machine. This apartment here as well, benefiting from some loft space there. And then moving into the lounge and dining room. This room here has an aspect to the front of the property, and also benefits from having a balcony just to the side over there as well. So we can just step out where we've got space for table and chairs. Okay, so next we can move through to the kitchen, which benefits from having integrated fridge and freezer, along with the dishwasher and the cooker, the inset hob and the chimney extractor there as well. All recently fitted and in lovely condition. And we also have a further door out to the rear balcony. And we can see there's another space here where you've got views of the gardens to the rear. can move through where we have 2 bedrooms, main bedroom here at the back of the property, which benefits from having a built-in double wardrobe with mirrored sliding doors. Again, lovely condition throughout, and then a view to the rear of the communal gardens. And then bedroom 2. This room benefiting from windows to the front and to the side. So a nice dual aspect. And then through to the bathroom. Again, all recently fitted, with a panel bath and shower attachments, and then pedestal wash basin and WC